everyone! Are you prepared to offer Alt-Tab fatigue farewell and greet a more fruitful workday? I have news for you if you're nodding along, tired of the chaos from juggling daily tasks and workflows. Today, we're diving deep into the Triplo AI lifetime deal that will change the game for authors, content creators, and marketers. No need to rub your eyes, you read it right. The real-time AI assistant Triplo AI serves insights, translation, and content generation straight from your desktop or mobile device. Let's unpack how this tool is revolutionizing our workdays, shall we? What is Triplo AI? Imagine having an AI buddy who assists you with daily tasks and brings insights and content generation tools to your fingertips. That's Triplo AI for you! Whether you're an entrepreneur or a student looking to stay ahead of the curve, this tool is like having a secret weapon in your productivity arsenal. And getting started? It's as easy as pie. You pop in your prompt, and Triplo AI rolls up its virtual sleeves to complete the job. Don't miss out! Exclusive lifetime deal prices on Appsumo await. Forget about breaking the bank because with Appsumo, you're getting a deal that's too good to pass up. We're talking about lifetime access to Triplo AI for a price that'll make your wallet sing. Now let's breeze through the amazing features you're scoring with this deal. License tier options. License tier 1. For the solo warriors with 300,000 AI tokens per month, it is perfect for personal projects and small-scale brilliance. 1 devices. 300,000 total AI tokens per month. 50 total custom smart prompts. License tier 2. Step it up with access on 3 devices and a whopping 900,000 AI tokens. Ideal for small teams looking to conquer the content world. 3 devices. 900,000 total AI tokens per month. 150 total custom smart prompts. License tier 3. The ultimate package with access to 10 devices and a staggering 3 million AI tokens per month, plus AI training and automation features, tailored for agencies and large teams. 10 devices. 500 total custom smart prompts. AI training, 100 total. Automation, 100 total. And the best part? All plans include desktop or mobile access, web and YouTube scraping, chat mode, 100 plus smart prompts, support for 230 plus languages, and much more. 5 most important features that make Triplo AI special. But what really makes Triplo AI stand out in the crowded AI space? Let's get into the nitty-gritty. Smart AI prompts. Predefined prompts that speed up content creation, so you spend less time brainstorming and more time producing. AI training. Teach the AI about your business with manuals or customer reviews to get more precise and helpful responses. API automation. Connect with third-party services like Zapier and CRMs to create a seamless workflow and keep the content rolling. Cross-device support. Jump between desktop and mobile without skipping a beat. Smart insights. Use the tool to gain valuable insights from customer reviews. Language support. Over 230 languages are at your fingertips, making this a truly global tool. People who can reap the benefits of Triplo AI. Are you curious about who should be jumping on the Triplo AI train? Here's a shout out to a few pros who'll find this tool a match made in heaven. The wordsmiths, authors and bloggers. The creative minds, content creators and marketers. The strategists, SEO specialists. The social butterflies, social media managers. The visionaries, entrepreneurs and freelancers. The educators, teachers and online coaches. The organizers, event planners and project managers. If you see yourself on this list or know someone who fits the bill, it's time to let Triplo AI take the wheel. Grab a 10% extra deal from Appsumo. Heads up, deal hunters. Want to stretch that dollar even further? Appsumo's got a little something extra for you. An additional 10% off. Yes, on top of the already insane savings, you can shave off another 10% from the Triplo AI lifetime deal. That's what we call smart shopping. How to grab this spicy deal? Sprint over to Appsumo's Triplo AI lifetime deal page. Spot the secret pop-up bar. Enter a magical email address. Keep using that same enchanted email. Check your inbox for that sweet 10% off coupon. And just like that, you're ready to elevate your productivity game without burning a hole in your pocket. Reviews that Triplo AI lifetime deal on Appsumo gets. Now, for the moment of truth, what are real users saying about Triplo AI? Let's zoom in on some authentic reviews that'll give you a taste of what you're in for. Still on the fence? Come on, don't be shy. Lock in your lifetime deal while it's still up for grabs. Check out the description, feast on the features, and snatch that lifetime deal before it vanishes. And hey, if this sneak peek into Triplo AI got you excited, smack that like button, share the love, and subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials.